Yes, class.
Uh,
Today we will solve numerical number 9. Okay, page number 159. 159 page number, numerical number 9, and numerical number 9 is just like numerical number 4. Most of similarity in both of numerical number 4 and numerical number 9, but the main purpose for solution of numerical 9 is that adjustment of loan adjustment at the time of dissolution, how to be made in books of accountancy. Okay, now start. I'm going to read numerical number 9, page number 159. The partnership between Ram and Sham were dissolved on 31st March 2010. Ram's capital was rupees 17,000 and Sham's capital was rupees 3,000. Okay, Sham owned rupees 2,000 to the firm and firm owned 10,000 to Ram. Okay, Sham owned 2,000 to the firm means Sham taken a loan from firm. Okay, and the firm owned 10,000 to Ram means firm taken a loan from Ram. There is two loan. One is Sham taken and next one is firm taken. Okay, and rupees 20,000 were payable to sundry creditors. The books of the firm show cash and furniture of rupees 300 and 1200 respectively. Profit and loss were to be divided in the ratio of 2:1. The assets representing the above liability realize rupees 40,000 other than cash, furniture of rupees 2,000 and payable by Sham. Accepting these assets. Accepting these assets, the other assets realized for rupees 40,000. Ram took furniture at an agreed price of rupees 800 from firm and liability are discharged as the book value. Realization expense incurred rupees 200. Prepare balance sheet before the date of dissolution and necessary account to close the books on dissolution. Yes, we know that if there is a no balance sheet is given in numerical, so first of all we will prepare balance sheet. The basic requirement for realization account is prepare a balance sheet before realization account, but the balance sheet is not given in our numerical number 9, so first of all we will prepare balance sheet. After that the following account will be prepared. Okay, so first of all we will start from balance sheet on 31st March 2010, date of dissolution, liability and asset side. Okay, the all liabilities assets are given in numerical, so we will arrange it in assets and liability side. Okay, first of all in first line, capital account is a liability, capital account of Ram and capital account of Sham, rupees 17,000 and 3,000 respectively. Okay, Sham on 2,000 to firm. Yes, Sham taken a loan from firm, so this is assets of firm. Sham's loan rupees 2,000 and firm owned a loan. So firm owned a loan is liability of firm from Ram's loan. Ram's loan amount rupees 10,000. So there are two loan. One is liability and another is assets. So the main purpose for this numerical is how to be treat these adjustment. How to be treat these adjustment at the time of dissolution. Other than the all things are same just like in other numerical, but these two transactions are new. Partners loan in both side, partner loan in assets or partner loan in liability side. Okay, next, capital given, firms taken loan given, firms allowed a loan to Sham given, cash balance given rupees 300, yes, furniture given in numerical rupees 1200, yes, and creditor rupees 20,000 given in numerical, yes. These assets and liability are given in our numerical. Okay, now next, addition of both side. Total of liability side is rupees 50,000. Total of liability side is 50,000 and total of asset side is 3,500. 3,500, 2,000 plus 300 plus 1,200, so 2 plus 1 3 and 3,500. Okay, 50,000 minus 3,500, the balancing figure is treated as a sundry assets of rupees 46,500. 50,000 minus 3,500, balancing figure sundry assets 46,500 and both sides are equal with rupees 50,000. Okay, the sundry assets are not given in numerical, so the balancing figure of balance sheet treated as sundry assets. Okay, in numerical number 4, same case. In numerical number 4, there are not sundry assets are given, so we will calculate balancing figure of balance sheet. Same in numerical number 9, the balancing figure of balance sheet treated as a sundry assets, because sundry assets are not given in numerical. So our next work is prepare realization. Most important work of this chapter, prepare realization account. From exam point of view, it is most important numerical. Only a realization account can be asked in board exam, or a complete numerical in which balance sheet, realization, partners capital account, cash account, or all works are done. Okay, so realization account, first two entries related to transfer balance of assets and liabilities from balance sheet to realization account. Okay, now we will see that Sham's loan transfer to Sham's capital account, because at the time of dissolution, partner's loan, which is allowed by firm to the partner, okay, not realized in cash and not transferred to realization account, but the amount will be deducted. These 2,000 will be deducted from Sham's capital account. Firm never say that please pay your loan at the time of dissolution. Firm said there is no need to pay. We will deduct this amount from your capital account. No need to say that please repay loan to firm, because the firm going on dissolution. Okay, firm say okay, no need to pay. We will deduct this amount from your capital account. फर्म बोलेगी नहीं कि भाई ये लोन चुकाओ, फर्म ख़त्म हो रही है, तुम्हें लोन चुकाना है. फर्म कहेगी कोई ज़रूरत नहीं है, मत चुकाओ, तुम्हारे कैपिटल अकाउंट से ऑटोमेटिक हम 2,000 रुपये क्या कर देंगे, माइनस कर देंगे. ओके, सो शाम्स लोन चार्ज फ्रॉम शाम्स कैपिटल अकाउंट, कैश अकाउंट बैलेंस ट्रांसफर टू कैश अकाउंट. सो these two assets transferred to realization account, and journal entry is realization account DR to furniture and realization account DR to sundry assets. Realization account DR to furniture 1,200 and realization account DR to sundry assets 46,500. Now come to liability side. Capital balance transfer to capital account. Ram's loan. Yes, Ram's loan. If a firm taken a loan from any partner, so the loan account is prepared separately. Okay, just like in chapter number 3. At the time of retirement, we know the payment method, final payment to retiring partner. There's 3 methods: lump sum payment, loan account, annuity account. So in chapter number 3, we prepare a separate loan account, same case, the loan taken by a firm. So loan taken by a firm to the partner, there is a different loan account is prepared. A separate loan account is prepared with the name of Ram's loan account. There is a separate entry will be made for the payment of these type of loan. Okay, so there is a single liability, creditors transfer to realization account. In CR side, journal entry is creditors account DR to realization. So 2 assets and 1 liability transfer to realization account from our balance sheet. Okay, now next, selling price of asset. There is 2 assets, 1,200 furniture and 46,500 of sundry. The sundry assets sold in rupees 40,000 as per given information. The sundry assets sold for rupees 40,000. Then journal entry is cash account DR to realization. Cash account DR to realization by cash rupees 40,000. And the furniture took by Ram in rupees 800. Then journal entry is Ram's capital account DR to realization. Assets sold to other party, transaction complete in cash account DR to realization. Or assets sold to partner, then amount transferred to debit side of partner's capital account, that is Ram's capital account DR to realization account. Okay, 2 assets and both are sold. Now next, creditors paid off. Creditors paid off rupees 20,000 given. Realization account DR 2 cash and 200 for realization expense. Realization account DR 2 cash. So assets sold in cash or in to partner or liability paid in cash. Okay, now the balancing figure of capital account. Balancing figure of realization account. Total of debit side is 67,900. Okay, 67,900 debit side, and in credit side only three amount: 40,000 plus 20,000, 60,800. 60,800. So 67,900 minus 6,800. The balancing figure is 7,100. 7,100 is a loss, and loss transfer to partners capital account in their profit sharing ratio, that is 2:1. Okay, so by partners capital account, Ram and Sham, 7,100 into 2/3 and 7,100 into 1/3. So 4,733 and 2,367 debited to partners capital account, the loss divided in their profit sharing ratio. Okay, now come to next is our partners capital account and cash account. The two main accounts are left. Partners capital account. Opening balance of capital account, we know that CR balance, buy balance BD, 17,000, 3,000 we prepare in our balance sheet. Okay, next, the loss of realization account, loss transfer to DR side, to realization 4,733 and 2,367. Okay, loss. Next, Sham's loan in balance sheet asset side, that firm allowed a loan to Sham. We discussed it earlier that a loan of Sham will be deducted from his capital account. So to Sham's loan. Okay, and 2,000 rupees will be deducted from Sham's capital account. Okay, now come to next, opening balance from balance sheet, realization loss from realization account, and these 2,000 transfer from own balance sheet and debit side to Sham and will be deducted from his capital account. Okay, next, Ram purchased furniture from firm 800. If a partner purchase assets, then entry is partner's capital account DR to realization, and 800 rupees will be deducted from Ram's capital account. Okay, all adjustment has been made. Buy balance BD, to Sham's loan, these transaction from balance sheet, realization loss from realization account, and 800 from realization account because Ram purchased the assets from firm. Okay, now we will calculate balancing figure. If debit side is higher, then buy cash, partner pay to firm, and if his credit side is higher, then to cash, firm pay to partner. Okay, so first of all, Ram's credit balance is 17,000, and in debit side only two amount, 4,733 and 800, that is 5,533. 5,533. So 17,000 minus 5,533, balance is to cash 11,467 paid by firm to Ram. Okay, or in case of Sham, debit side is higher, debit side is 4,367. 4,367 minus 3,000 of credit, then firm charge rupees 1,367 from Sham. So Sham pay to firm, and in case of Ram, firm pay to Ram. Both get transaction made in cash, buy cash and to cash. Buy cash, cash received from Sham, and to cash, cash paid to Ram. Okay, now come to next, the cash account of partners capital, cash account of firm. Cash account, first of all, opening balance of cash account. Opening balance of cash account is 2 balance BD, and these 2 balance BD is transferred from your balance sheet. Okay, 300, 2 balance BD 300 from balance sheet. Now next, we know that all buy cash, buy cash, buy cash, and buy cash. There is only two buy cash. Buy cash means received of cash transfer to DR side. So first buy cash 40,000 to realization 40,000, and next buy cash from Sham. So to Sham's capital account 1,367. Okay, two entries of buy cash transfer to DR side. Now to cash 1, 2, and 3. 3 payment of cash. and these three payment transfer to credit side of realization account. By realization 20,000, by realization 200, by R's capital account 11,467, and finally by Ram's loan. Ram's loan transfer to liability side of firm, and we discuss it that at the time of dissolution, partner's loan in liability side fully paid to partner, finally paid to partner's loan. Okay, journal entry is Ram's loan account DR2 cash. Ram's loan account DR2 cash and firm pay finally 10,000 to Ram's loan account, and both sides are equal with rupees 41,667 and 41,667. Okay, this is your numerical. Buy cash transfer to DR side and 2 cash transfer to CR side, and both sides are equal. This entry is prepared by us individually, that a loan of Ram transferred in shown in liability side finally paid. Then entry is Ram's loan account DR2 cash in pay loan of loan paid in cash. So Ram's loan account DR2 cash 10,000 and account is closed permanently. Okay, next our next numerical. Our next numerical number 10. Numerical number 10 is based on insolvency of partner. Numerical number 10, insolvency of partner. Yes, start numerical number 10. The balance sheet of Ram and Shyam and Mohan on 31st March 2014 was as follow. In liability side balance sheet, creditors 40,000, general reserve 30,000, capital of Ram and Shyam 50 and 30,000. Asset side cash at bank 12,000, debtors 20, stock 40, plant and machine 40,000, BR 20,000, and Mohan's capital account DR balance of rupees 18,000. Okay, Mohan was declared insolvent and could contribute only 4,000. Yes, Mohan is show a debit balance and he is insolvent and he could contribute only 4,000 finally to firm at the time of dissolution. The firm was dissolved and the amount realized from the assets as follow. Sundry debtors only 15,000, BR realized 40,000, stock realized 32,000, plant and machine realized 28,000. Realization expense paid by firm 5,000 rupees. Prepare account to close the firm. Yes, there is a balance sheet is prepared already in numerical, so we will start from realization account. Our first account is realization account because balance sheet is already given. Realization account DR and CR side. First of all, we will transfer assets. In given assets, only cash and Mohan's capital account not transferred to realization, because cash account balance transferred in cash account and Mohan account balance transferred to his capital account. Other assets transferred to realization account, just like a realization account DR to debtor for 20,000, realization account DR to stock 40,000, realization account DR to plant and machine 40,000, realization account DR to BR 20,000. Okay, now come to assets. There is only single liability transferred to realization account, creditors only. Then entry is creditors account DR to realization, amount rupees 40,000. All assets and liability transferred to realization account, assets transferred to DR side and liability transferred to CR side. Okay, now come to next other information. Realization price of assets. If all assets sold in cash, then entry will be bank account DR to realization, because bank account is given in our numerical. Okay, we can write both bank or cash, but it's better to show bank account because already bank account is given in your numerical. So debtors realize 50,000, so bank account DR to realization. BR 40,000, so bank account DR to realization. Stock 32,000, bank account DR to realization. Plant 28, so realization account bank account DR to realization rupees 28,000. All these amount realized from following assets: bank account DR to realization, bank account DR to realization, bank account DR to realization. Finally, liabilities paid. Only creditors paid 40,000. In lack of information, full book value paid to creditors. Entry is realization account DR to bank, 40,000 paid. And finally, 5,000 of realization expense. Journal entry is realization account DR to bank, paid to realization expense 5,000. Okay, so assets sold, buy bank, buy bank, buy bank, buy bank. Liability paid, to bank and to bank. Next, balancing figure. Total of debit side is higher, 165,000. Okay, and total of credit side, these amount 40,000, 50,000, 40,000, 32 and 28 subtracted from 165, and net balance of loss rupees 36,000 is a loss of realization account, which is transferred to partners capital account by partners capital account. 36 divided in their profit sharing ratio, that is 1 is to 1 is to 1. So 36,000 divided in 3 partners, 12,000 individually, and this is our realization loss, which is transferred to partners capital account debit side. Now come to next, our partners capital account. First of all, opening balance. There's 3 partners, Ram, Sham and Mohan, but Ram and Sham show a credit balance, so buy balance BD 50 and 30,000, and Mohan show a debit balance, so to balance BD 18,000. 18,000 Mohan debit balance and Ram and Sham credit balance of 50 and 30,000. Okay, now come to next. There is a general reserve in balance sheet. We know that at the time of admission, retirement or dissolution, all reserves transfer to partners capital account CR side in their profit sharing ratio. So 30,000 distributed in 3 partner in 1 is to 1 is to 1, then 10,000 rupees transferred to their capital account. Okay, now next, loss of realization account debit to all partners. To realization, 12 and 12,000 of loss transferred to partners capital account. Okay, first 3 entry, balance BD and general reserve transfer from balance sheet, and realization transfer from realization account. Okay, come to next. We know that at the time of insolvency, the loss of realization paid by partner in cash to firm. At the time of insolvency, realization loss is paid by partner to firm in cash. So they paid 12 and 12,000 to firm his share in loss. But Mohan could pay only 4,000 finally, as per given information that Mohan could contribute only 4,000. The other one pay his full loss, 12,000 in cash, but Mohan could pay only 4,000. So by cash, 12, 12 and 4, because Mohan is insolvent partner, he could pay only 4,000 finally. Okay, so these are the adjustment. Buy balance BD to buy balance BD to balance BD, loss of realization debit 12, general reserve transfer in CR 10, and loss realized in cash from partner by cash 12 and 4,000. Now our final work. Final work is calculation of Mohan's capital account loss. The amount loss of Mohan's capital account. Total of debit side in case of Mohan, that is 30,000, 18 plus 12, 13, minus 10,000 of general reserve and 4,000 bring by him in cash. So 30,000 minus 14,000, it is 16,000 is net loss of his capital account. 16,000 is net loss of Mohan's capital account, which is distributed in Ram and Sham in their capital ratio. Capital ratio means not only 50 and 30. Capital ratio means the all amount transferred from balance sheet. The all amount transferred from balance sheet in partners capital account merge in capital. Okay, just like in case of Ram, 50 is balance and 10 is general reserve. The total is 60. 60 means 6, 0 omitted. In case of Sham, 30 and 10, 40, 0 omitted 4, 6 is to 4, or in short 3 is to 2. 6 is to 4 converted into 3 into 2. So the capital ratio mean not only capital balance, buy balance BD. Capital ratio mean capital, general reserve, P&L, all amount merge, and the final ratio is prepared 6 is to 4, or in short 3 is to 2, and these loss of 16,000 distributed in Ram and Sham in 3 is to 2. Okay, so in case of Ram, 16,000 into 3 upon 5, 9,600, and in case of Sham, 16,000 into 2 upon 5, that is 6,400. And journal entry is Ram's capital account DR, Sham's capital account DR, to Mohan's capital account. Sham debit 9,600 sorry, Ram debit 9600, Sham debit 6400, and Mohan credit with rupees 16,000. So solvent partner debit and insolvent partner is credit with amount of overall 16,000, and this journal entry transfer to partners capital account. Ram and Sham debit, so debit in their account with name of Ram. To Mohan, Ram debit with 96 and Sham debit with 64. Okay. So and Mohan is credit. Mohan is credit with the name of Ram and Sham, amount to be 9600 and 6400. So solvent partner debit, insolvent partner credit, or in other words, the amount deducted from Ram and Sham account and will be transferred in Mohan's capital account. So Mohan's capital account, both sides are equal with rupee 30,000. Okay. Now Ram and Sham account balance. All these accounts are also closed. Total of Ram is 72. 50 plus 10 plus 12, 72. And in debit side there is only two amount, 12 and 9600. So 21,600. 72 minus 21,600, then balancing figure 2 cash 50,400, and account is permanently closed. The balancing figure paid in cash to them. In case of Sham, total of credit side is 52, 30 plus 10 plus 12, 52, and minus 12 and 64, that is 18,400. So 52 minus 18,400, that is 33,600 paid to him, and his account is also closed. So credit balance minus debit balance, and the balancing figure transferred to two cash, and these accounts are permanently closed at the time of dissolution. Okay. Now next, finally, cash account. Yes, cash account. First of all, opening balance of cash or bank. Opening balance of bank account is to balance BD transfer from balance sheet to be 12,000. Now we will see buy cash, buy cash, buy cash, or buy bank, buy bank, buy bank in our numerical. There is a buy bank in realization account. Buy bank 15, buy bank 14, buy bank 32, and buy bank 28. These all buy bank amount transferred to DR side of realization account. Sorry, DR side of bank account. To realization, to realization, to realization, and to realization. This is to realization, to realization, to realization, to realization. How? Buy bank mean received of bank. Then buy bank DR side. Buy bank mean DR side of bank account. So these amount transferred to bank account debit side. Okay. Same in case of capital account. There is a buy cash. Yes, there is a three amount of buy cash, buy cash, buy cash, and buy cash. These amount also transferred to our cash account by Ram, Sham, and Mohan, 12, 12, and 4,000. So all buy cash and buy bank transfer to DR side, because buy bank represent received of cash, and received of cash transfer to DR side of cash account. Okay. Now next, two cash, all two cash. First two cash is here in capital account. Two cash mean payment. So payment transfer to CR side by Ram and by Sham, 50,400 and 33,600, and these two payment transfer from realization account. This is from here to bank and to bank. So two bank, two cash, all amount transfer to CR side, because they represent payment of cash. So buy bank transfer to DR side from both account, realization and bank, realization and partners capital account. Two cash transfer to CR side of cash account to by realization, by Ram and by Sham, and both sides are finally equal with rupees 129,000. Buy cash transfer to DR and two cash transfer to CR side of cash or bank account. Okay. So finally 9 and 10 complete, and numerical number 11 and 12 is your homework. You solve it. Okay. Thank you, class.